Hey guys, today we're at 3651 Crow Canyon Road. This is in San Ramon, California. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with 1,107 square feet. Come on, let's check it out. Welcome to Cobblestone, a secluded gated community situated in a great location in San Ramon, California. This condo is a complete remodel. Vaulted ceilings as you enter the home, accompanied by a kitchen family room combo. An updated kitchen, lots of natural light, including an inviting balcony off the kitchen dining area. Here we have our first bedroom with dual sliding door closets with its own full bathroom, tub and shower. Down the hall is our entrance to our lower level garage. Here is our 1-car garage along with washer and dryer. Back upstairs, we are here in our master suite. Also with dual sliding mirrored closets, along with its own full bath and a jacuzzi tub. All right, guys, that was today's tour. I hope you guys like this property. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment box. Otherwise, follow me on social media. Check out my website, chrislunarealestate.com, and I'll see you guys again next time.